Well, we have run into a slight issue. It's flooded. Good morning and good evening and welcome back to another video. Right now I'm in Tutóia, which is kind of a surprise because last time you guys saw me, I was on my way to go visit Lençóis National Park. I filmed some videos for my other channel and sadly inside the actual national park you can't motorcycle. So I've put in some few miles and I'm in Tutóia, which is maybe an hour and a half outside of Lençóis National Park. But here, and part of the plan today, there's the Lençóis Pequenos aba. So here's the map of Brazil. Lençóis National Park is right here. We are at the end of the black line in Tutóia. But there is a little extension of Lençóis National Park, which is not the actual national park, and it's actually there because there's a fisher village that you can go visit. It should be about, I don't know, maybe an hour of driving in the sand to go visit this fisher village. All off-road, so we're gonna have a fun day today. We just gotta pray that it doesn't rain. Alrighty, so here we go, the day's starting. As you can see, it's a non-GPS day because I'm just going on sand. There's only one way, it's on the shoreline. Sadly, you can see there's some pretty rough looking weather in front of us, but I'm hoping that it turns out okay. For today, the reason that I'm actually starting so late, I'm not sure if you've noticed, usually I start really early, like 6 a.m., sometimes even before that. Right now, it's like 7:30, but I'm starting so late because of the tide. This route that I'm taking on the shore is only doable during low tide, which low tide today is at 11:20 a.m. So I'm hoping that around 7:30 or 8, like right now, it'll be drivable because high tide was at 5:20. So let's go check it out. Look at that, totally drivable. Woo, it's sandy right here up until I get to the beach. But totally drivable. Barely anyone else. Let's get it. That's pretty cool. But look at how open this is. Man, so good. But sorry about the noise. The other day when I crashed in my last video, somehow I messed up my exhaust and my exhaust is leaking smoke and noise. But look at this. Oh, he's got a bunch of crabs. All right, look at this. I literally feel like I just started and we can already see the dunes. Oh, they're so good. But inside of the dunes, there's this small town called Apa. It's a small fisherman town, and it's all the way at the end of the dunes. So that's where we're gonna go try and visit today. And with this little light rain, maybe I'll be able to drive on some of that soft, white, yellow sand over there. We'll see. Check this out. That's their fishing net. Look how many fish they got. Oh, there's so much jellyfish in their thing. Keep going. Look at this crab. Oh, that's not good. Oopsies. Check this out. Look at how these fishermen fish. They throw the nets in. I'm assuming they throw the nets during high tide, and then during low tide, they come and pick them up to catch all the fish.
Vou na capoeira, vou de ginga e queixada, sento uma rasteira. Desço a ladeira, vou na praia, vou no parque, vou na cachoeira. Vou na capoeira, vou de ginga e queixada, sento uma rasteira. Vou na brincadeira, vou na roda, vou no samba, vou tomar a saideira. De qualquer maneira, cavaco e viola, vou na brincadeira. Desço a ladeira, vou na praia, vou no parque, vou na cachoeira. Vou na capoeira, vou de ginga e queixada, sem levar rasteira.
Look at this. Look at how low the tide is. And I'm just like, this was literally underwater 1 hour ago. That's insane. Shout out to the moon, big time. But I need to get out of this. My feet are getting wet. Alright, so we've passed the majority of Apa. Right here. But directly in front of us is Lençóis Pequenos, the sand dunes with the beautiful water. I want to stop at Apa, but I have to go. I have to continue. I have to see those water pools. Well, we've run into a slight issue. It's flooded. But I think if I can just drive through that little bit of water, I'll make it. So we're gonna give it a try. We are so in the middle of nowhere. There we go. So, unfortunately, this is as far as I can go. Because the satellite images on Google Maps are almost 100% wrong. And on Google Maps, this whole body of water does not exist. And this sand, it's not loose, but starting to get a little bit, you know, tougher to drive. So I think I'm just gonna go for a swim. So I lied. I wasn't satisfied with the last spot, so I drove like 10 more minutes in this pretty brutal sand. Almost got stuck like 5 times, but here is my new spot. This is looking like a better spot to go swimming, you know, do some chill activities, and I'm gonna eat some breakfast. I'm so hungry. I got a liter of milk, 6 soft-boiled eggs, and a pack of chocolate cookies. This is the way, but it looks super deep. I guess I'm gonna give it a try though. Oh, it's so deep. Look at this. Oh man. Oh, that was insane. That was wild. And I only got 1 foot a little bit wet. So there we go. We made it back out through that treacherous path right there with the river crossings and everything. Only 1 foot wet, so I'd consider that a massive success. But I'm gonna head back because it's getting kind of late. Obviously you can see it's still low tide, and it is low tide until about 11:30. But I just want to get back when it's all the way low tide. I don't even want to play around with the tide because people were telling me that the tide goes all the way up to here and even into the wetlands over there. So you literally get stuck. So it's better to go back early right now. So let's have it. Bom dia. Aqui é serviço e moto?
É não, meu amor.
É diferente?
É diferente, é só propaganda. É uma lanchonete.
Ai, onde é?
A moto. Você vai aqui, ó. Onde esse carro entrou, vai
Esquerda?
direto. É.
Obrigado.
No final da rua. Aí perto do hospital. Na esquina do hospital tem 2 oficinas.
Quantos quadros?
É, aí passa a primeira na segunda. Viu?
Obrigado. Well, there you go. That place is not open. I need to get a bolt. My rack is loose. It's missing one of the bolts. So let's go find that. Fun is so funny how she's like, mi amor. It's so funny. Also, that might have been like the shortest woman I've ever seen. That was crazy. At the mechanic shop, we're buying a single nuts to put back up onto under here. As you can see, it's missing. It has one right here, but it's missing one. He's helping me. See aqui?
Yes.
São igual?
É igual. Só muda a cor, né?
Alrighty, so we're starting our day outside of the adventure part of the day. Now we have the boring highway driving part of the day. So today we're gonna try and get all the way to Preá. It's a small town just outside of Jericoacoara, which is where I would like to go tomorrow. Google Maps is telling me it's about 5 hours and 40 minutes by bike, and I'll get there at 5:07. So this is gonna be a rough one. Basically 5 hours of driving straight without stops. So let's have it. Oh God. Haven't been filming anything of this highway journey because this has just been my views, just straight highway. But I've put down like 200 something kilometers. I got 100 more to go until Preá, and then I'll be able to rest for the night. So keep going. She's going like a beast. Look at this bridge. It's single file over this waterfall. Alright, it's our turn. There is no protection. If you go off, you could literally just drive off. That's awesome. Also, look how short this is. You could hit your head. Oh my god, that was a lot of driving. That was over 300 kilometers after the Lençóis excursion. But right now, I'm in Preá, finally. And here's my bed. Yo, luckily I'm solo inside of the dormitory. And check this out. This is the hostel. There's a little pool even. Yeah, there's everything here. I'm surprised that this hostel doesn't have more people, but I'm still under the understanding that it's still not yet the summer vacation here in Brazil. So in about 2 months it'll be full. But right now, basically just me. I'm playing. So just ate pizza. You know, best fuel after a long ride. But I'm gassed. I'm about to go to bed. Calling the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed.
No me llame más. Saco mi cadena.